Hello teachers, this video is on how to use Calendly to create or schedule parent conference sessions with your parents. The first step is to go ahead and use Calendly by signing up for an account if you don't have one. Then you are going to select one-to-one appointment as the event type, and this will allow one person to schedule an appointment with you. This is the website we'll be using. It's called Calendly. I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make those sessions, but don't forget, if you don't have an account, the first step will be to sign up for one. So here's my Calendly tab. Here under new event type, I'm going to click here. Let me go ahead and show you this new event type. Then it's going to open up this window where it's going to ask me what kind of event do I want to create. I'm interested in creating one-on-one events. One-on-one. That way there will be one person scheduling with me for parent conference. So I'm going to click create. Here's where I add my information. I'm going to be calling this parent conference. I already have one called parent conferences, so I don't want to get this confused with the other one. My location type, I'm going to customize this, and I'm going to ask parents to go ahead and click on the Google Classroom link for Google Meet. So I'm going to go here and click down to custom. And I'm going to say, please click on the Google Meet link on the Google Classroom. And I'm going to click update. Here's if you want to add any information, you could do so here, or even a link. Here, I'll let you customize the URL. I'm okay with this. And also customize the color. When you have selected, if you want to switch it, just click and it will give you the color type. And you're going to click next after that. I'm interested in having 15-minute sessions. And I want to select my date range. I'm going to go back, and our dates that we selected are October 19th to 23rd. So I'm going to select edit, rolling dates, and I want a date range. October 19th to 23rd. Oops, there you go. So just click the first date to the last date, 19th to the 23rd, and press apply. Here, it's going to give me my calendar only for those days. And I'm going to add my scheduled hours. Here, I am going to put 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. for multiple dates, which will be Monday, specific dates, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I'm going to click apply. So here are my sessions now. I'm going to click again. Then I'm going to put a new interval. I have 10:30 to 12 p.m. And I'm going to add multiple, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Click apply. Then the day that you have in the evening ones, to select new interval. And I'm going to add 3 o'clock till 6:30 p.m. and apply only to that date that you have in your evening sessions. Then I could go back and add my after lunch sessions here. New interval, 1 till 1 p.m. till 3 p.m. And I'm going to apply to multiple, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then Friday is minimum day, so I'm only going to add it up to here. Then go back to Friday and add an interval 12, so that's perfect. So now I have my schedule here. And this is only for dates October 19th to the 23rd. Now my ranges I'm happy with. Hide this event from, no, I'm not going to hide this, and I'm going to click next. So this is a parent conference event. Parents can book 15-minute sessions between October 19th to October 23rd. You could add a question. So I added this question here because sometimes parents have different last names as their children. So we have name and email from parents. You could add a new question here. You could add things like, what is your child's name? What is the best number to reach you? Or what is your child's name? I want to make this required. And they only need one line. Okay. So the next question I said I could add was, what is the best number to reach? You could put any questions you like. And I'm gonna press apply here and see when parents are going to schedule a session, this is what they'll see. And I'm gonna save and close. Okay. Once you're ready to view the live page, you're gonna click here. And I'm going to view my event. Oh, it's not active, so let me go back and make it active. So let me go back. This is off. This one I can only have one event type. So I'm gonna go back and turn the other one off. Because remember I had another calendar that was active, which is this one. I'm gonna make this off. These are off, and I'm gonna turn this event on. And now I'm gonna copy the link, and I'm going to show you in incognito what parents will see. If you share the link with parents, they'll see your dates available. They'll click, they'll select, they'll confirm, and they'll type this information. And they schedule an event. You could always change your event times if you want to make 20-minute schedule sessions. Everything's custom. You could be able to customize this, but these are 15 minutes. There's also other ways to make other sessions. Let me show you how. Here, it says 15. You could customize your minutes and make them 20. You could customize your minutes and make them 25, whatever you like. So let's say I want to put 20. Save and close. It saved it. I'm going to look at the live page, and now we have 20-minute appointments that are available for parents. So it is up to you whether you want to have 20-minute appointments or 15-minute appointments. But Calendly is a good way for parents to go ahead and schedule appointments with you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.